What's going on, everyone? In this video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stocked up trading floor. The market is still very close to its all-time high, but we are definitely seeing an increased amount of selling pressure come into play here. Ever since the market peaked on October 17th, it has been making lower highs, which is not necessarily a good thing to see. Not only do we have an exciting week lined up because of the biggest earnings week of the season happening, and Iran getting attacked by Israel in at least the first open way, like we saw just this weekend, but we also have the presidential election next Tuesday. So we are set for a crazy next couple weeks here. So let's get right to it. Starting out with the Theta Plays. We did have 5 plays and 4 of them expired for max profit. The other one was a CVS put play, which got assigned shares. Basically looking at CVS, the stock is at a pretty decent point right now to get assigned shares, especially when you factor in the premiums that were received for selling this put option. For those that got assigned, you could either turn this play into a covered call play or just hold the shares and let them appreciate as intended. If you don't already sell put options, I very strongly recommend at least looking into it. When you sell put options on stocks that you're fine owning for the long term, you essentially put yourself in a deal where you get paid to buy stocks that you're otherwise happy owning, and at prices you're happy owning them at, which is a very advantageous position to be in. Selling put options repeatedly gives you a nice steady stream of premium that also has an edge to it in the sense that the options that we see in the market are theoretically more expensive than they should be. So if you sell them, you get a nice little edge there over the long term. Basically, selling put options is great for multiple different reasons besides from the ones I just listed, especially given the amount of flexibility and optionality that comes along with them. This is one of the best strategies out there when deployed correctly. So if you don't already deploy this strategy, definitely consider looking into it. Feel free to reach out to Tom, Hunter, or myself in Discord, and we can definitely give you more information related to that. But the strategy itself is also called put writing or cash secured puts or selling put options. So feel free to definitely consider a short put strategy. It's really great. But also, I guess you could say, going deeper into this week's recap, there were a handful of plays in action in the search channel, as we know. Lots of different action all throughout the week, which was good to see. I would definitely say the play of the week was the NEM one on Thursday. This actually ended up popping by 1,000%, which was awesome to see. So that was great. But there was so much action. You know, some plays did extremely well, while others were duds, as normally expected. So that was pretty exciting to see. But there was also a hybrid bot play this week, which was really great. We could see on Wednesday there were some ARM put options alerted at $337 each, and they popped all the way up by 52.8% in a nice, steady, consistent way. So that was awesome to see as well. So I would say it was a pretty good week in that sense. But as we look at the market right now, we are entering a period of higher volatility and more craziness. The election will add a interesting dynamic to the markets going forward. Lots of bigger moves and lots of just more crazy action. Of course, this week is a giant earnings week as we have some massive companies set to report like Apple, Meta, Amazon, and many, many others. So be ready for craziness. What's very exciting is that this earnings season has been a very good one in the sense that we are seeing some powerful moves. Tesla actually had its biggest move last week, in like the biggest move in 11 years. So that was pretty awesome to see and pretty crazy as well. We even saw other companies like TSM, UAL, and many others make some pretty strong moves off of earnings, which is great to see. So get ready for more craziness in action. And besides that, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thank you so much for watching, and let's crush it in the market this week.